What's up, guys? It's Kay here, and let me tell you, we're about to dive into some seriously life-changing stuff. Imagine this. Over 100,000 people are already raking in cash using AI, and guess what? Most of them started with absolutely zero skills. Yep, you heard me right. And you know what that means? You can do it too. Today, we're gonna blow the lid off the top 5 AI side hustles that can stuff your pockets with an extra $5,000 a month, even if you've never made a single dime online before. We're talking about real deals, real opportunities, and real money-making potential, all thanks to the power of AI. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to unlock the vault to financial freedom with AI. Alright guys, let's kick things off with a bang! Have you ever wished you could clone yourself to get more done? Well, with AI-powered content creation, you basically can. We're talking about using AI to help you write everything from blog posts and articles to social media captions and even video scripts. Think about it, you've got killer ideas, but putting them into words takes time, right? That's where AI swoops in to save the day. These AI tools are like having a 24/7 writing assistant, ready to crank out high-quality content on demand. Just feed it some keywords, tell it what you want to write about, and boom! It spits out amazing content, saving you hours of precious time and effort. And the best part? You don't need to be Shakespeare to make this work. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned writer, AI content tools can level up your writing game. Imagine pumping out blog posts like a machine, crafting captivating social media content that goes viral, or even writing an entire ebook in a fraction of the time. Now let's talk about the tool you need in your arsenal, Jasper. This bad boy is like the king of AI content creation, and it's seriously user-friendly. So if you're ready to unleash your inner wordsmith and watch the cash roll in, AI-powered content creation is your golden ticket. Alright guys, are you ready for the next level? Let's talk about AI video automation, because who doesn't love a good YouTube video, right? But seriously, this is where things get really interesting. Imagine this. You create amazing videos without ever having to show your face, edit a single frame, or even come up with the content ideas yourself. With AI video automation tools, you can literally automate the entire video creation process. We're talking about everything from writing the script, remember our friend Jasper, to recording the voiceover, adding music and sound effects, and even creating the visuals. It's like having a full-blown production studio at your fingertips, but without the Hollywood price tag. Now you might be thinking, but Kay, what kind of videos can I even create with AI? Oh boy, get ready for this. We're talking about everything from explainer videos and educational content to product reviews, social media snippets, and even full-blown documentaries. The possibilities are literally endless. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or years of experience to make this work. Now, let's talk about the tool that's going to rock your world, Pictory AI. So what are you waiting for? It's time to hit that record button and let AI take your video content to the next level. Alright guys, let's talk about passive income. Because who doesn't love making money while they sleep, right? Well, with AI-generated digital products, you can do just that. We're talking about creating valuable digital assets once and selling them over and over again, creating a steady stream of income that flows even when you're not working. Sounds pretty sweet, right? And the best part? AI makes it easier than ever to create high-quality digital products that people actually want to buy. We're talking about everything from ebooks and online courses to printables, templates, and even stock photos and graphics. If you can dream it, you can probably create it with AI. Now, you might be thinking, but hey, I'm not a designer or a tech whiz, and you know what? That's totally okay. With AI-powered tools, you don't need any special skills or experience. Let's dive into some specific examples, shall we? Imagine creating stunning stock photos and graphics with AI tools like DALL-E 2 or Midjourney. These platforms allow you to generate unique and eye-catching visuals based on your text descriptions. You can then sell these assets on stock photo websites or directly to businesses, raking in passive income as people download and use your creations. The earning potential here is massive, guys. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner entrepreneur, tap into the power of AI, and start creating digital products that will make you money while you sleep. Alright guys, let's talk about freelancing. Because who doesn't love being their own boss, setting their own hours, and working from anywhere in the world? But let's be real, the freelance game can be tough. You're constantly hustling for new clients, battling deadlines, and trying to stay ahead of the competition. But guess what? AI is here to change the game and turn you into an AI-powered super freelancer. That's right, AI can be your secret weapon to landing more clients, delivering exceptional work, and boosting your income like never before. Think about it. AI can automate tedious tasks, enhance your skills, and even open up new service offerings you never thought possible. We're talking about everything from writing and editing to graphic design, social media management, data entry, and even customer service. If you can do it on a computer, chances are AI can help you do it better, faster, and more efficiently. So, how can you use AI to level up your freelance game? Let's dive into some specific examples. The best part? As you become more proficient with AI tools, you'll be able to take on more clients, charge higher rates, and ultimately boost your income exponentially. Alright guys, let's talk about one of the most exciting and rapidly growing areas of AI chatbot businesses. Now you might be thinking, chatbots? Those things that pop up on websites and never seem to understand my questions? Well, hold on to your hats because AI chatbots have come a long way, baby. We're talking about sophisticated AI-powered virtual assistants that can handle customer service inquiries, book appointments, qualify leads, and even close sales. All while you're off doing more important things like counting your stacks of cash. Imagine this. You build a chatbot once and it works tirelessly 24/7, engaging with customers, answering questions, and driving sales, even while you're catching some Z's. It's like having an army of virtual employees working around the clock to grow your business. Now you might be thinking, but hey, building chatbots sounds complicated and expensive. And you know what? It used to be, but not anymore. Thanks to user-friendly platforms like Chatfuel, ManyChat, and Dialogflow, you can create powerful AI chatbots without writing a single line of code. These platforms offer drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built templates, and even AI-powered chatbot builders that make the entire process a breeze. You can literally create a fully functional chatbot in a matter of hours, even if you have zero technical experience. Now let's talk about the earning potential because that's what we're all here for, right? Well, the sky's the limit with chatbot businesses. You can sell your chatbot services to businesses, create and sell chatbot templates, or even build and launch your own chatbot-powered business. So if you're looking for a future-proof business idea with the potential to generate passive income, AI chatbots are the way to go. Alright guys, we've covered a ton of ground today, from AI-powered content creation and video automation to digital products, freelancing, and even chatbot businesses. The key takeaway here is this. AI is not just some futuristic technology that's only accessible to tech geniuses and billionaires. It's a tool, a powerful tool that's available to anyone with an internet connection and a desire to succeed. The AI revolution is here, and those who embrace it, those who are willing to learn and adapt, will be the ones who reap the rewards. So what are you waiting for? Which AI side hustle excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you want step-by-step guides on any of these hustles, be sure to check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button for more AI money-making tips. The future is now, my friends, and it's powered by AI.